Ooh, child. Anyways, guys, so I'm just here to give you guys a little update of what's been going on with me because, listen, girl, my phone is being freaking out. My charging port is freaking out. Okay, I got this fixed like a month ago, and now it's acting up again. So I look like I have to get this fixed again, but it can't be right now, okay? Because I'm going on a trip over to the States, like in the next couple of days. So I don't know. I'll probably get it fixed over there when I go over there. I don't know. But I'm so mad because I won't be able to vlog. I have 18% on my phone. I've been trying to charge my phone for the last week or so. Good job. Anyways, guys, I know you guys can barely see me, but it's like after 12 at night. I'm trying to record a video on my broken phone, and I can't really see nothing. But I'm about to park for the laundry service tomorrow. We leave in a day. Okay, our trip is in it is officially Tuesday, okay? It must be Monday. It's like after 12, so it's not Monday no more. It's like after. So it's like Tuesday now, and we leave Wednesday, okay? So we're trying to have clean clothes when we get back. So yeah, the laundry service is coming tomorrow, so I need to pack for tomorrow. I went and get my nails done tonight. Just got back like an hour ago. I'm tired. I'm so fucking tired, you guys. I got so much to do. I have to plait Brianna here. I wanted to pack our suitcase from the other day, but of course you have to do laundry, so that's not gonna happen right now. That's gonna happen tomorrow.
Like I can't stay here forever, stay here forever. Baby, I'm just keeping it real. You hold me down on the weather, down on the weather. You pull me down, 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 down.
Anyways, guys, so it's the next day. We're doing some errands. Y'all, I should have done my shit a long time ago, but time just caught up to me. But we at the police record place. Brianna Daddy's getting his police record. Then I have to go to the beauty store, get some stuff for Brianna here. I have to wash her hair today. I have to add some more locks into my hair. What else? Laundry service should come around probably after 5, 4, 6, one of them hours. And then I have to go to the mall to get a pair of slippers as well. So yeah, we have a little lot to do. And he has to go pick up his passport today as well. So we're leaving tomorrow. Okay, y'all, so it's been like hours later, okay? Hours later. You ate all already.
What?
Okay, it's been like hours later, you guys. Y'all, I done cleaned the whole house. I done applied Brianna hair. The washing service just came. So what I have to do is pack the suitcase now. My camera is clean. Hold on. Yeah. I went to the beauty shop today. I went to get my slippers today as well. You guys, like I was so pissed off. Brianna finally made me so mad. So I didn't even record, okay, because I was pissed, okay. Anyways, and I felt overwhelmed, okay. Please go ahead. And I felt overwhelmed. So I know I had a lot of things to do. Stop laying on your hair. Anyways, I'm gonna make me some coffee, girl. I know it's after like 7, girl. It's after like 7, but y'all gonna see me pack my suitcase. But I need some energy, okay? I need a little pickup. So, yeah, y'all gonna see me pack the suitcase, but let me make some coffee first. I'm so bugged, like I can't see nothing on this phone. Like, I don't know. That's irritating. We're gonna pack the suitcase for tomorrow. We're going to the plane tomorrow, Bree. You excited? Yeah. I just don't want to have a dirty house when we come back. Test the clothes. Here we go over here. The clothes is over here. I'm gonna dig through these clothes in a minute to see what we need to carry. Okay, y'all. So I'm exhausted. It's like after 9. I just put up the clothes from the laundry service. Now I just went through the clothes. No, I separate the clothes that we're gonna be carrying. I don't know if Brianna's father will pack his own clothes. Okay, we carrying one suitcase, and we probably buying that suitcase when we go there. But yeah. I want to go in the shower. Our flight is like 7 o'clock in the morning, so it used to be up pretty early. So I'm tired. I'm not gonna lie. We have to get up early. Like, oh.
There's no time. The theater is somewhere nearby. Caddy is right. Caddy's strange smell. I can't breathe. Where am I? Come to me. Dad, I'm coming. Oh no. Time to save TJ.
I know what it's like, I can't stay here forever. Stay here forever. Baby, I'm just keeping it real. You hold me down on the weather. Down on the weather. You pull me down, 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 down. I try to turn it around, but you pull me down, 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 down.
Okay, so suitcase is packed. So I think Brianna Daddy gotta put his do anything. Last to do is let Brianna Daddy come home to put his stuff in there, and I said, and I have some stuff I gotta throw in the morning, like like a toothbrush and stuff like that. But yeah.
No.
Anyways, guys, I want to jump in the shower, and I'll see you guys in the morning at the airport. Bye. Okay, y'all. So it's like 5 o'clock in the morning. We're heading to the airport now. We'll be reading this in about yeah. So I'll see you guys at the airport. Yeah, but you know the day. I let them know. I told them we got the next. Yo, I don't even feel like recording this airport with my phone like this, but whatever. We already reached Fort Lauderdale. We on our way to get our luggage, then get a car. Agree. Anyways, guys, so we here getting a car. It's my first time ever drinking Starbucks. I usually go to Dunkin' Donuts. Oh yeah, so we in the bus or the van. Look at that. There's no lights, but anyways, yeah.
Can you clean up the house?
Dry down, that's a little light.
Clean up the
So we're on our way to get something to eat. Okay, y'all, so we stopped at Goodwill, of course, because I wanted to do that. I mean, I'd go to regular store, but I really wanted to stop at Goodwill because I watch. Yeah, I watch a lot of thrifting and stuff like that. I really enjoy the videos, so I really wanted to stop the thrift store. They get some for everybody. I feel like a thrift store, I love my style, to be honest. Oh, I like this pair. How much size is this? Hold on. Okay, y'all. So we stopped in Walmart. We got some Burlington. I think Burlington early. I don't know. I can't remember. But I came in here for some panty shield and some soap. Okay. Okay, see the panty line is up in here. I need some of these wipes. I need some Clorox wipes as well. Oh, I see a little wipes here for 90-something cents. Let's get one. These are these hand wipes, but we still can get them. Come, panty liner. Just give me a small box. How much come in this one? 20? Okay, it's good enough. Hold on. Okay, y'all. That's up. When we first enter, so we buy Airbnb. When we first enter, living room.
If you wanna know what it's like, I can't stay here forever. Stay here forever. No. Baby, I'm just keeping it real. You hold me down on the weather. Down on the weather. You pull me